Yeah. Oh, finally. How are you? Good, how are you?
Fuck. You don't have a fucking thing, do you?
What? In fishing thing? Yeah, SNAG addicts.
Like, I've seen them dreads before, sure.
I was only on it for like fucking 3 seconds, like just one jump and stuff.
That's what everyone was fucking like. Why'd you grab the lure on that? I grabbed your line on that one out the front of Cairns there.
Yeah.
But I didn't even grab the fucking line. It looks like I did, but there's no way I would have been able to stop that barrel by just grabbing it like that.
No, fuck
it. It just jumped instantly, and because it was only 20 pounds because we were JP fishing.
Yeah, right.
Alright, surely. Going for a jungle perch mish, got the FG knot tied. Gonna try these frogs, I've never tried them before. They look pretty cool, so I got them. And then if that don't work, switch over to the surface walkers. Oh no, I have to go through and delete footage. I only have 2 hours of fucking filming. Oh, fucking green ants. Holy, I got heaps of them. I've seen a couple of little sooties. Upside down. Fish are just looking at it like, what the fuck's this fella doing? I don't eat this guy, he's retarded. Oh, surely. I want to use the frog because I don't want to use the same thing I always use, but at the same time I just want to throw the fucking thing I know will catch fish.
Yeah.
Oh! It's getting smashed. I think it's a littlest bit too big. Oh, that got me a bit more excited to use the frog. The fish are probably just thinking like, fuck, there's a lot of frogs in here today.
Stick stuck in my crossbow. Felt like there was a snake trying to eat me.
Oh, I fucking hate that, eh? Shit. Oh no, it's upside down.
Something touches your foot and you just straight up think
We were walking one day with my mate and he fucking hates snakes, and we were walking through long grass and I was like, stood on something that really felt like a snake.
Yeah.
And I was like, bruh, just watch out for snakes, eh? And like 2 seconds later I hear a fucking snake. It's like, oh, yeah, I thought I stood on one. That's what made me fucking say. Yeah, they're fucking cool, just not when they like surprise attack you.
Yeah, not when they want to eat you.
Yeah. Just walking, oh, can't, there's a snake. Are you going on the surface or?
Yeah, still surface.
Hey, when there's no sandy spots to change your shit, eh? Bag slips and everything goes in the water. Cheers. Try this fella. Yeah, I was just looking at that. Oh, they're so shit. They've gotten really aggressive, eh? Fuck, it is getting deep. Fucking might be phoning the old bag time. Oh, they're huge tilapia nests. It's crazy, you'd think there'd be fucking something just up here. Maybe they're on this side. Frog was getting more hits than this thing.
Yeah, that's that. I thought it was maybe that's what the stick bite already gets mad.
Fuck off, cunt. Fuck, I hope it's not deep over there. So I hope it's not deep over there. I don't really have any surface walkers left. Huh? Yeah. It's pretty shallow. Still want to get my balls wet. Oh, strap the bag up a couple of gears. Oh. Always. Yeah. Ugh. My dog. Fuck, I proper need to go get more GoPro batteries. Hey. GoPro batteries, they just die so quick. Yeah, like I'm already on 80% and I come with 100. Yeah. Yeah, I got that one. Bro, you know apparently the 4s and 5s are rated the best ones out of them? Yeah. Because they're the same, I got that as well. And yeah, I was like, I swear mine used to have so much charge in it and shit. But like, there's that many features on these new GoPros. Like you can do them nighttime lapses and shit of the stars. Yeah, right. And heaps of hectic shit on them. And like, it's all fucking cool and shit, but there's just so many things with such a little battery. Yeah. Yeah, literally, bro, maybe half an hour, an hour. Yeah, or just have like, can't. Yeah. Yeah, it's fucked. You gotta have the cunt basically on charge, and then they overheat so bad. Yeah, fucking like I was meant to show you before how hot it was just from that walk. You always gotta splash the cunts. Yeah, bro, like they get fucking sizzling. Because it's like this tiny little camera shooting I never have it on 5.7, yeah. But 5.7K and like 120 frames per second or something. Yeah, right. And like that's a little camera to be punching out that quality. Yeah, fuck yeah. Like them big Canons and shit struggle for that. Yeah, fuck yeah. I almost bought one of those Canons. Yeah. Yeah, bro, you should see some of the photos I've gotten on iPhone. Yeah. I wanted a camera for so long, and then I was like, started realizing if you just edit your iPhone photos, like there's no point. Yeah, that's right. Ooh. Let's give it 2 seconds. I hate walking when you can't see what's in front of you. Yeah, fuck Nothing at the first spot, so I'm gonna go try another. Frog wasn't working, so I put a surface walker on. It's fucking pissing down rain. See how we go though. I'm thinking of going back to that frog. This isn't... Oh, yeah. Oh. Really shit to walk through. I can fucking leg. If you're not careful. That spider went down the road. I'm putting something a bit deeper on. Holy, this shit's slippery as fuck. Oh bro, the amount of fucking lookers I've had. Yeah. I think it's might be the surface that they're not wanting to feed off or something. Something. Beg your pardon?
Do you think being overcast they'd still be up on the surface?
Yeah, proper. That's holy fuck. Maybe we're not going to be able to fish this way. The worst thing with creek walking is when you get too carried away walking forward and don't think about how far you got to walk back. Like a mint little spot. Just fucking slippery little spot. Oh, fuck. All about the adventure. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, I didn't get a choice there. That was very adventurous. Fuck. Oh well. Not getting back up that. Oh, cunt. Yep. Oh, fucking falling down everywhere. This is horrible. Got my bag caught. Hair's caught in it. Holy fuck. Oh. Brutal, eh? Oh. Nah. I keep crunching my toe like my fucking, the knuckles of my feet together. Yeah. Different. Parkour. Parkour, parkour. Parkour. Genau. Tight for real. Fucking hell, it's quiet in here. Oh, this is cock. Shit we do for fishing. Yeah. Oh, finally. Oh, I'm losing. Go. Settle. Settle. Ow! Almost broke my fucking leg. If you made it this far in the video, I'm sorry we only caught one fish, but the last 3 times we've went out, we just haven't been having much luck. We went out the other day in the boat for a while, got a couple of trevallies, put the GoPro on, didn't get anything. Filmed for ages, just got a couple hits, so discarded all them, then went for another creek walk, got absolutely nothing again, so deleted all them. But there was some pretty cool spots there today, so I'm going to post this one. Going up north, so we should be getting a lot more fish instead of just this one fish a video bullshit. So hopefully we can go up and clean up and get you some good content. Sorry, and thanks for watching.